To set Google text-to-speech language detection as conservative in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select text-to-speech output, and then set preferred engine as Google text-to-speech engine. If not Google text-to-speech engine, tap preferred engine to change, and then select Google text-to-speech engine. Tap back button, and then tap preferred engine settings icon. Select language detection, and then select conservative. Now Google text-to-speech language detection set as conservative. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.